Hello everyone, this is Let's Speak English with me Habtab. እዚ መደብ ትምህርቲ ቋንቋ እንግሊዝ ብትግርኛ ኮይኑ ሎሚ present perfect ዝብል tense ይዘክሩ ቀሪበ ኣለኹ ከም ትልሙድ በቲ ኣርባዕተ ኣገባት ቀርቢ መጀመርያ use ኣጠቓቕማ ወይ ጥቕሚ ናይቲ tense ካልኣይ formation ከመይ ከም ታንፅእ ሳልሳይ compare ኣብ ትሕቲ ዝብል ኣርእስቲ ምሰናይ ካልእ tense የጋግየና ንምንፃርን ፍልልዩ ንምርዳን sentence እንዳወዳደረ تقربي وداتها try up تحتزبل كل حتوتات نفسنا نفتنالو. So let's start نجمر. Use present perfect tense سلسة نبزرات ضمدات اللو. To connect the present to the past التي هلو كنتات مش حلو في المتنسى كل التعب حلو تفت أمن حجزي زلو كنتاتن لتأثر كلاي to express an action that started in the past and continued to present قال أوان أبحلو في جميرو سقع حجي خيط سنحي action way تقوار نمقراز سالساك to express an action that just happened very recent action سالساك حالا حجي خم تفتصمي كم قرم دعايا ويأزيو بصار باوان كم تفتصمي لمن السار بتقدمي نجمر past action present result حالا action أبحلو في تفتصمي هنا جن بزاعت استفسم أكشن زي كونه بزاعت وصيته بزاعت حجز النقطات كنزارب كلنا present perfect متكام I have eaten he has lost his book you have broken the cap we have finished cleaning the kitchen إذن أربعة sentence كلن present perfect هن أب context أب حزر حين سنتين لاتنا كرينا بخمي أب حلف تفصم أكشن نزنا حجز اللغات يسألون بخمي كان بدا حجز نزارنا بسنا حلف أكشن نتأثره كرينا أب حتى رتي ديالوجاتنا رأي تقدمي دي I have eaten تبل here it is Hi Helen come let's eat Helen thanks I have eaten thanks I have eaten when did you eat I ate an hour ago كابدنا أربعة sentence تخليتي ناي هيلن مالتي مالتيو Thanks, I have eaten. تبلا present perfect I have eaten. أبزقن بزعبان مبلع زي كونه. بزعبان سقاوي أتابع أبتخل إيشي when did you eat؟ يقول مساعدة بنصر بزعبان معس بلع تسابق لكن I ate an hour ago. I have eaten جن للبلعكو حجي سقيو الله ماش الذي تبلع كم جالس أتفقد تفسيمه حجي جن ستيل سقيو من الله مسنا حجي كتبلع زي من لاوي كتبلع زي مخاله يتأثر. كاليتي ممهرن تمارين زارولو teacher why don't he read student he has lost his book teacher when did he lose it تمارين he lost it last week هذا ممهرن هذا تمارين زعبا خلق تمارين حتى انتقل زين بل he has lost his book he has lost his book اتمتفع حجي هنا كمسومي تفيب كمسومي سلتفع حجي كان باب أكلنا له بس عم باب بربع عم تفاني مسحة يزاروا بيلون why doesn't he read he has lost his book he lost the book 1 week ago but now he's not able to read because of that أبزات سعب حد صار dialogue present perfect احترامنا كلن past tense الاثنين سلام داي مجمرات dialogue نرايا why was Tom angry yesterday He lost his book. Sorry, did he find it? Yes, he found it. Why was Tom angry yesterday? He lost his book. We are specifically talking about yesterday. He lost his book. Did he find it? Yes, he found it. تمالي أتسيواني ينبري حجين راهي والله تقع حجز أصل وصيت وي إفكت وي ساعبين سيبنو كله باس سيمبل تمالي سلازة دفاع لوميجن بسنكا استسان خانقر tell you present perfect ንጥቀም why doesn't he read ተኾይኑ ዘይብል he has lost his book why ዘሎ ብፅሓፉ ስለዚ ሕጂ ክንብል ኣይክእልን የላ ተምሳሕ ሕጂ ስለዚ ናይ ትማል ምጥፋእ ምስ ናይ ሎሚ ዘይምህላው ክተኣሰር ከሎ present perfect ንጥቀም እዛ ትስዕብ ኣብ መንጎ ኣደን ወዳን ዘላ ሓፃር ዲያሎግ ምናልባት ዝያዳ ክትነፅረልና ትኽእል child give me milk mom mother no milk today child why mother you have broken the cup ሎሚ ፀባ ይወሃብኒ ፀባ ስለዘየለ ግን ኣይኮነን እቲ ቆልዓ ፀባ ዘይወሃብ ዘሎ ትማሊ ቢኬር ስለዝሰበረይ ትማሊ ሴራዋ ቢኬር ስለዚ ሕጂ ቢኬር የለን ወይ ከዓ ትማሊ ስለዝሰበረይ ሕጂ ክቕፅዕ ኣለዎ እቲ ምስባር ትማሊ ዝተፈፀመይ እቲ ውፅኢት ግን ወይ ከም መቕፃዕቲ ወይ ቢኬር ብዘይምህላው ሕጂ ፀባ ክወስድ ዘይምኻል ወይ ፀባ ክረክብ ዘይምኻል እዩ so you have broken the cup he broke it yesterday ትማሊ ሴርዎ ትማሊ ምስማሩ ግን ሕጂ ፀባ ይረክብና ኣሎ so past action connected to present result እቲ ካልኣይ ጥቕሚ ናይ present perfect to express an action that started in the past and continued to present ሓደ ፕሮሰስ ነው ይገርስ ኮይኑ ኣብ ገለ እዋን ጀሚሩ ስጋ ሕጂ ክቕፅል ዝፀንሐ action ንሰብ ኣብነት ንርኢ he has been in the class for a year I have lived in Kampala since 2012 I have lived in Kampala for 8 years he has been a teacher He has been a teacher since 2018. He has been a teacher for 2 years. I have been in the class for a year. نحاد عمد أبت كلاس سنة الله. هنا تمرتو فاصل سنة سقاحج. كلمة عمد جميل سقاحج. I have lived in Kampala since 2012. كابت شحن عسرت خلطن جميلة. كابت شحن عسرت خلطن جميلة سقاحجي أب كامبالا نبر سنة. ምናልባት ሕጂ ይወፅእ ኣለኹን ወፃሉ ኣየርን ግን ስጋዕ ሕጂ ኩሉ ግዜ present perfect up to now ስጋዕ ሕጂ ዝብል ትርጉም እዩ ዘለዎ ተሳሲተና I have lived in Kampala for 8 years I have lived in Kampala for 8 years ኣብ ካምፓላ 8 ዓመት ገይረ ኢሉ መዓዝ ከም ጀመረ ሓሲብና ንኾነል ማለት ግን ካብ ቅድሚ 8 ዓመት ጀሚሩ ስጋዕ ሕጂ ክነብር ምክንያት ስለዚ ተኻላይ ጥቕሚ ናይ present perfect ካብ ገለ እዋን ጀሚሩ ስጋዕ ሕጂ ክቕፅል ዝፀንሐ ኣክሽን ይገልጽ እቲ ሳልሳይ ጥቕሚ ናይ present perfect ንሓደ ሕጂ ዝተፈፀመ ርሑቕ ከም ዘይኮነ ወይ ከዓ ነዊሕ ከም ዘይገበረ ንምግላፅ ንምግናን ዝበዝሕ ግዜ just ዝብል ቃል እንዳወሰና ነጋን ነው I've just eaten my lunch I've just eaten my lunch ንሓደ ሰብ ንቐደም በልተና I've just eaten my lunch ሕጂ በልየ ኢሉ እንዳዋጣወተ ምናልባት ወላ ኢዶ ሆናቶም ሊትሓስበ ሕጂ ምዃኑ ቀረባ ግዜ ምዃኑ ሪሰንት ምዃኑ ንምግላፅ present perfect ንጥቀም He has just left ሓደ ሰብ Where is Tom? ኢሉ ይሓተካ He has just left ሕጂ ወፂኡ He has just left ስለዚ ኣዝዩ ቀረባ ግዜ ዝተፈፀመ ነገር ንምግላፅ present perfect ንጥቀም ሕጂ formation ንርአ How we form present perfect Formation normally subject plus have we has plus verb 3 verb 3 نبلو past participle أبتهل رقم دلنا verb شديش ملكات كم نلورينا لنا verb 1 verb 2 verb 3 verb s verb ing verb infinitive لذي present perfect tense مثل حنا نتكملو past participle verb 3 Play, played, played. That's also it. Write, wrote, written. I have played football. He has written a letter. He has been a teacher for some time. Played, written, been. Past participle forms. The present perfect. Let's have a look at the table. I, we, you, they ክንብል ከለና have نتقام the third person singular سالسي أكل نبلهم he she it كم قلناها has نبل I have cleaned the kitchen we have cleaned the kitchen you have cleaned the kitchen they have cleaned the kitchen مستوى سلسة again he has cleaned the kitchen she have cleaned the kitchen and it has الذي she he it has يوسف تنقل كا have يوسف مالك I have done the work you have finished painting he has taught English for 20 years she has helped them since 1990 she has helped them for 30 years كلهم جم present perfect جم أب كلهم طيبنا بزلنا verb ها verb 3 أبتل رحم دلنا done finished thought helped جم كلهم verb 3 past لذي formation subject plus has or have plus verb 3 compare present perfect بزح ጊዜ مس past simple يزقاقي لازم مس past simple في اللي ينتهي نرأي كلتا sentence ندور على نهرينا مجمرة I wrote the letter I have written the letter نبزح قنق انجليز سلاب زي كونه زي بزح في اللي أنا رأيني مهناتو present perfect أبزح قنق تاتي الله الذي I wrote the letter I have written the letter فعليا بزح زي نتصيروا I رأيني سب I wrote the letter زي تهدب مسحفات راح تقلص past simple كبار كله أب حلف تفصمه نجار أب حلف تفصمه فلاجم معس كل مشامون كل مرحي كل معمد كل معسات أين السرني تزارب زول سب ولا مي أسرع عمل جاش تفصمه هدف تصمه يزارب يلهون present perfect then Mr. Present نزارب لنا أرستي أزيز تأسسري I have written the letter كله هجي وديش للهوني عرفت كم دليل ويخيط كم دليل يقلت يلهون no you cannot go home you have to write the letter first تقول واحد سب تدبل البخي صحب كات كيف تخلنيها ويك تعرف تخلنيها تقول oh I have written the letter زي فاعل سلازي حجي خيل خلي المبالي كلا بنت نري I ate lunch I have eaten lunch يجي بزع عمل بخون كله I ate lunch نايت مالي نايلو مترح مثله هاي سب ولا ما عسرت عمل تعال هون نقدر نسرب من هون okay تعال في المسرح عمل تفزع من نقدر I ate lunch I ate very good lunch in your sister's wedding do you remember الذي حلف مهان راح زينا معس هاي فلتني I have eaten lunch كن مولع زي كونه حجي سيوم هلاو حجي خبر لا زي ملاي وقدم بلتك oh thanks I have eaten my lunch I have eaten my lunch تيلو جاب عمل كونه كده يعني تحجي مسقاوي يسقل له لازم مستناي حجي كونها زت أساسي كل جزء now try حجي قال احتوات تفتن present perfect مع خليه تردينا له نفسنا نفتنا له حتو تاتي exercise 1 قدام الفتنة which of the following words or phrases are related to present perfect which of the following words or phrases are related to the present perfect all the time ever since last year when yesterday 2 years ago all the time ever and since are used with present perfect present perfect نتكملن all my life all the time ever since زعينتهم كلاتهم هادو حدا أكشن كابقل أوان جميل وشكا حجي مغزالو ويكاتي حلف أكشن بس حجي related مهانو الرهب مهانو المهبان إنتان تاريفان دلواغن مس past simple تنحان تكملن مناتو نحاد استوسنة حلف أوانين تملكتان عمنا last year مش هنزرح بلن when إلنا حد خلنا مع استفزيم when did you go to school simple past يعني نعمل شو when did you go to school I went to school last year yesterday نحاد هو السن حلف جديد ملكت 2 years ago. እዚኦም ኩሎም ምስ past simple እምበር ምስ present perfect ክንጥቀመሎም ኣይንኽእልን። ካልኣይ exercise. Are the following sentences correct? If they are wrong, correct them. How long is he a teacher? He lives in Kampala for 10 years. Where are you living since 2018? What have you done? Everything is broken. ካብዘን 4 ሰንተንስ እዚአን እተን ቀዳሞት 3 መሰረቱ ጌጋ እየን። ቀዳመይቲ How long is he a teacher? How long ተልና ክንደይ ዝኣክል present perfect ትጥቀማልና። How long has he been a teacher? How long has he been a teacher? ካልኣይቲ He lives in Kampala. He lives ይነብር present simple present simple ተኮይኑ ዓመታት ንገልጸሉ ወርሓት ማለት የለን። He lives in Kampala. Finished. For 10 years ተልና ግን He has been living in Kampala for 10 years. Present perfect ክንጥቀም ግባአና for 10 years ተልና for 10 years ከይበልና ግን He lives in Kampala. ኣብ Kampala ይነብር። That's all. Number 3. Where are you living since 2018? ካብ 2018 ጀሚርካ ተልና ስጋ ሕጂ ማለት እዩ። ስለዚህ present perfect ክኾን ነይርዋ። Where have you been living since 2018? Where have you been living since 2018 is the right question. ተናይ መወዳእታ What have you done? Everything is broken. እዚኣ ትክክል እያ። ዝኾነ ዘረብ ነገር የብላን። Thank you very much. That's all for today. If you like it, please subscribe and share it. እንተዳ ፈቲኽሞ ወይ ንኻልኦት ክሕግዝ ይኽእል እዩ። እንታሚኩም like, subscribe, share ዋይተመቑ comments ራኹሉ ግዜ ሓገዝ ንኾኑ ክፅበየ. Thank you very much. That's all for today. Have a nice time. Bye-bye.